Hi traders, this is Riti from Team Phi 1. In this video, we'll illustrate a strategy using the ADX indicator and the Super Trend indicator. Now in the last video, we extensively described the Super Trend indicator. Here we'll use an actual chart of Reliance to illustrate what the strategy is about. Now let's take a quick look at Super Trend once again. The Super Trend indicator is plotted by a line above and below the closing price of the security. Now whenever the super trend indicator line goes below the closing price of the security and changes color to green, it indicates a buy signal and an uptrend. And when it reverses to red and goes above the closing price of the security, it indicates a sell signal. However, you need to be very mindful of the fact that this indicator will work well only in a trending market and not uh, great for a sideways market. We're also using a confirmation using the ADX indicator. We're only plotting the ADX line here. As you may know that the ADX is a momentum oscillator which indicates the strength of a trend and not its direction. And we have values between 0 to 100 to denote the ADX. Now in general, a value about 20 to 25 will indicate a high trend strength. As a ready reckoner, you may look at these values. This is a great table illustrating what each value of the ADX indicates. Now here this is either 0 to 25, some people take it as 20. So we're looking at values about 20 for our strategy, which indicates a strong, very strong or extremely strong trend. Now in the chart here, you can see that this can be a buy signal, and when it is confirmed by the ADX here above the 20 value, this is where you can enter a trade, and when the super trend reverses to red is when we exit, and this can be your profit. Now let's go to Phi 1 Core to try this strategy. Log on to Phi 1 Core, go to strategies, click create strategy. You can see our form-based strategy creator here. You don't need to know coding for this. All you need to do is enter the values of the various indicators that you want to choose. You can select from 120 plus technical indicators, plus there is no limit on entry and exit conditions. Let's start by adding some scripts here. Select a time interval. I'm selecting 30 minutes, but you can choose anywhere between 1 minute to 1 month. My position would be a buy 100 quantities of the above scripts if my entry condition is met. My entry condition is that the ADX should be about 20, and I'm adding another condition where my super trend should be below close. That is the closing price of the stock. For my exit condition, my super trend should be reversing. Indicator should be reversing itself and be above the closing price. Always add a stop loss to your strategy so that you can avoid making big losses. If you wish to add a target profit, you are free to do so. Simply select toggle this to on and type in your target profit. I'm not going to go ahead and I'm not going to put a target profit in this case. You can also, tweak your backtest period here. I'm leaving it as is. Also, it's recommended that you test your strategy with different backtest periods because you don't want any biases in your results. Name your strategy and click Save and Backtest. Alright, so looking at the win rate and the PNL, only ITC meets my preferred criteria. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the other scripts and only go ahead with ITC. So I go back and remove the other scripts. Okay, now clicking deploy all, I have two options here, either to paper trade the strategy or to take it live. Always paper trade your strategy. This will help you test your strategy in the real market environment without using your real money, which means that you're testing your strategy in the live environment at zero risk. Once you're happy with your paper trade results, go to Take Live and select a broker and click Take Live. Clicking this will make sure that your strategy is automatically executed when your entry exit conditions are met, and this is how PHI code enables complete automation of your trading strategy. This ensures that you don't have to stay glued to your screen. Now if you go back to the dashboard, you'll see a discover section under which you'll see a lot of ready-made templates for strategies like the one that we just showed you. You can try any of these and customize them as you wish. You can also try the strategy we just illustrated right away for free by clicking the trial link in the description of the video. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching and happy trading.